this thing wheel is so broken because I can pull it so much, but it's so hard to pull it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2010 BMW X5 diesel. It's making some blower fan noises. Of course, it's not doing it now because I'm trying to get the sound on camera, but it's very annoying. I think it happens when you first start it, especially. Okay, so it's not doing it anymore. Anyways, I called BMW. They want 450 bucks for a new blower fan. Got on Amazon, ordered one for like 70 bucks. So let's see if it works out. If you're not watching my Big Zilla videos, you're missing out. Check out my videos. 2009 Crown Victoria with a 7.3 Godzilla swapped in it. Set up on the dyno right now. Tuning coming soon. Anyways, looks like I need to get a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, remove the shield here, and see what it looks like under there. So far it's pretty easy, just 3 screws to remove the shield, and then there's a vent here that needs to be removed out of the way. There's a T20 bit. I know on some BMWs, like, you gotta remove the whole dash. So it looks like there's 3 T20 screws holding the actual fan onto the HVAC housing. It should come out now, I think. Oh, something else is holding it. There's actually 4 screws holding the fan. Let's see, maybe if I take these out. Boom. There we go. So there's 2 connectors. I guess the main one. There we go. So here's the original fan that I just pulled out of the 2010 X5. And here's the one I got off Amazon for 60 or 80 bucks. As you can see, it doesn't come with this. The little controller, so that needs to be swapped over, which it all works, it's just the fan is making noise, so this will just get swapped over to the new unit. And this one spins freely, and this one doesn't really make noise when I do that, but it's very annoying. Yeah, you can work with me.
Okay. I'm going for it. I'm going do you want to speak for about Beamers?
Beamers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 second.
Okay, I'm going for my phone right here. What are you working with? What are you working with?
I'm changing the fan.
You're changing the fan on the new mom's beamer?
Yeah, your grandma's beamer.
Oh.
Grandma's and grandpa's beamer. Are you working?
Yeah.
Okay.
This thing is so broken because I can pull it so much, but it's so hard to pull it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you fixing that white thing?
Yeah, that's the old one, and this is the new one.
This is mine, but this one is broken.
Yeah, that one's broken. Can you fix it?
Yeah, but I got this thing, but this thing is has holes in there.
Yeah.
So I can screw this.
Yeah, but you can fix it.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Igor,
What?
my Mercedes feels slower now, man.
Why?
Because your car's too fast.
You should buy it.
$5 grand cash.
Cash
Serious
money?
offer.
So this car has a cabin air filter on the inside here. I think there's one under the hood that was replaced, but this one looks like might have been never replaced. So Andrew over here is gonna run to BMW and pick one up.
Yay.
You're the best. Okay, let me give you a card. Gonna go ahead and replace that filter. Hopefully they have one in stock. If BMW doesn't have it, I'm sure like a parts store will have it. But yeah, this wasn't too bad. I mean, the hardest thing was putting the new fan in. You kind of have to pull the dash back to give you more wiggle room, and that way it fits in there nicely. And I put all 4 screws back in there. I tested it, it works, it doesn't make noise. So once the new filter is here, I'll put the new filter in, put the filter cap back on, and reassemble. It's pretty easy. I know in some older BMWs you gotta pull the whole dash. Pretty sure I already mentioned that, but like on my old 2000 E39 M5, you have to literally take the whole dash out of the car to get to the blower motor. So this is not bad at all. Go BMW for an easy design for once. Usually they're complicated. I got a new mirror for this driver's side. This is aftermarket one I put on. I don't really like it, so I'm gonna put the original one on. Original mirror looks so much better than the aftermarket one. This aftermarket one was only like 30 bucks, and it looks like it zooms in or something. It just looks weird. So original with the auto dimming option is the way to go. So just picked up a filter at the local BMW, and this thing was like 45 bucks. Crazy. But this one was way past due on the changing it. It's dirty. So let's pop it in there and assemble this thing, and that's it. So that's pretty much it. This is a very easy thing to do here on these X5s. I think it's like a 07 through 12 is the same. As long as you have a screwdriver and a T20 screwdriver, Phillips and a T20, you can do this. This took me, let's say, maybe 15 minutes altogether. And while I was in there, I changed the filter too. So it's gonna be a short video. Stay tuned for more videos like this or other videos. Like and subscribe. Later.